How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be doing a quick tractor project. We need to go down and take this post hole digger off and put on a brush cutter. Sometimes we have a little bit of trouble getting the brush cutter on, but we go and we hang this from a tree, from a chain, and just take it right off and leave it kind of right in the position we hook it onto the tractor at. So you'll see that, and then we'll go and hook up to the brush cutter. I'll try to get some nice close-ups so you guys can see what actually goes on. This thing's been leaking out of somewhere up here. You can see down there. So let's get the tractor fired up and head that way. On this Kubota tractor, you can check your oil right here, and you can check your transmission and your hydraulic right here. I've already checked those. So we just got backed up to the tree here, and I can see if I can show you guys what we do. Still lifted up by the hydraulics right now of the tractor, and we take this chain and we'll get it tight right here and put a bolt through it, and then we can release the pressure on the tractor, and this will just kind of hang right here in its spot. I'll take the PTO shaft off and kind of set it on this little plastic tub. That way, when we're ready to hook back up to it, all you gotta do is swing these arms back up and pin them in, and you're ready to go dig some more holes. So I'll set you guys up and you can watch me take this thing off. That's the doing of those things. like that. And the tree holds it for you. All right, see if I can get you guys a little closer here. So it came off, just had a pin there, pin on that opposite side, holding that one in. And then down here, this rod went through. Right here, holding that in. And your PTO shaft slides on right there. Let's see, it just has a little groove it slides into. All right guys, we just got backed up to the brush cutter here. I'm gonna show you guys all the kind of attachment points while the tractor's off, and then I'll put you on my head and get to work. So on this side, you'll have this pin that connects over here, and that'll mirror on the opposite end. You'll have your PTO shaft that will slide on there, and it has a little locking spring mechanism in there. Take that pin out, that allows this to move. Do the same on the other side. And then, since this side rotates up and down with this lever right here, we'll try to get this side on first. Get backed up to it, slide in, try to get this one and that one connected, get the PTO shaft hooked up, and then we'll get our cross member hooked up and try to level everything out. Then we should be good to go and cut some grass. All right, one's in there. All right, sorry about that, guys. I had to fight that one quite a bit to get it on, but finally got it. Get it pinned up. Now we'll get our cross member on and hook our PTO shaft up.